There are several reports that you can use to calculate future depreciation, including budgeted assets. So let's now go and take a look at some useful reports that we can find in fixed asset management module that we can calculate budgeted depreciation. And first, I will navigate to my all reports. And then in the fixed asset management module under the finance, I will look for fixed asset book value 01. Also, you can access these reports from the Tell Me as well, and we should open this report. On my request page of this report, I'll choose my company depreciation book, and then I want to predict or I want to estimate amount of depreciation for next year. In my case, I will then select year 2025, and I want to see what will be depreciation for the future period. Also, very important is that here now you must select and turn on option budget report. Because if you don't turn on this budget report option, system will only take current fixed assets, so it will not take into consideration fixed assets that are planned to depreciate in the future, like budgeted assets. And now when we are done with the options, we can filter if we want based on the class, subclass, or fixed asset number, and then I will click Preview. In a few seconds, I will receive my report on my screen, and here we can see the depreciation and acquisition costs for my period of 2025. And if we go down, we can see that we have also forklift truck budget, so budgeted fixed assets, and we see what will be the depreciation in the future, so in 2025. And here we can see also total depreciation, meaning that we see also current fixed assets and one that are also budgeted fixed assets. So we have both options here now in one report. And this is how easy you can find and calculate depreciation for budgeted fixed assets.